Scano. Sorry, this guy buy. It's a discount. You do. Where to mano?
My lawyers.
Yeah, Jadi. Yeah, to mano. I tell 5 million, 8 million. Maybe some 1,000. Some go to my lawyer. Me this guy, me to Tiano. July, let only miss them. Debut, say your first skin yaba. Me person. Oku 1,000 amount. 1,000 yaba. Me say, tell man now. Me chama, me nango to say, I'm not to tell lawyer. To me come 1,000. Let me know. Buy me ya.
Yeah, from Munko Parliament too. So we're really crana or Akwatia home. No one can.
All right, so the police officers are asking us to leave the very much. All right. Well, Vivian, still jubilant NPP supporters will say that Bernard Bediako shouldn't have pulled any vote at all. I didn't think I'll cast a member. So,
well, shed your queer. Yea, Hano, Ajuma, Yano, and no one ban yet. Now, and this is for so moving here. And not a baby no more day. One maybe Papa Yajumayano Beguno, one saw one for your baby Emre. It's a, I just say about Twaba. And no one is the council room. And then your chum says he can't be ever yet. Now, I said, look at ya, I call you one also over channel. You're trying to do you're not pining to me. No more idea, I'm up in home. It's MPP there. The next 4 years away, and you need and this is I'm putting that near Banner and what is so.
And this is for message I know most selling the same. Mutuma and this in here, and this in our bem. Omode in Puntunuma, Ebebaha. Now, this is Amatuama, NPP. Some Puntunuma and Emma.
Papa, honorable, I can't say when you baby coin. I'm a crane say, I and the scumi. Now, when it's what you pa my Anna or Coswana or ye. Now, you assume do so some more can say. I had denara, Jumedia, na NS, Obayano. Obey making sure said in Obaya my end. It's here to Abba based on the NS Kumika so Bayano. Assume do so on so bad to us and nothing at the Twaba. And yes, your party member only a ben one as I say. So far as I know, a ben with him say Diana and from so your birthday, you benya and couldn't do any good results.
Oh, no, dear. He doesn't have the resources to do the things you need in the community, to do roads, to do all the development projects. It will come from central government. Central government, so it is not your party. And the NDC candidates made you aware, say, once you don't vote for him, I bet in Semubenya all the things that Akwatia deserves.
Sir, Wakaso Okan is Mentiasi, and the Entiasi. It's answer. On mine and in a womb. Yeah, there to benefit all of us. Yen in one agenda. Yeah, what the pay and on some word your mope. So far as I nip near them, your nippon, your party in your bemun chess, oh, to me, ye be Emma, ye man temha. Ye nimse obey me, and unti any answer to Abama.
I don't know, Monia, it's just 2 polling stations out of 11.
Yeah,
out of 11, I even went to her. 119 in the whole of Akwatia. Now, Moniaja Mojimoni say, Nasa Abano, your kind engineer, and I say, Mokandid and winner.
Say, wow, sha. Yeah, course. Yeah, the attitude to baby. Now, news, no, the air banner say, I had denara in say,
news now,
because Akwatia, Buedia, you know my pay. A horse in a stronghold. See, no more pay more, or they are, or not as a new crown maternity. That's the crown maternity. It is on one chrome commaternity there, near him said, Yafa.
Well, Vivian, jubilating regardless of the fact that we've just received 2 results of just 2 polling stations out of the 119 here in the Akwatia constituency. Well, he says he has a intel in other polling stations that Asumedu is also taking some votes away from Bernard Bediako in the NDC's strongholds. Mame.
Yes,
Musieno.
Yes, lawyer Nino. Many
Quino, how did Equino influence you to vote against him?
Me dear, me ya pipi ni nti me ankasa no ye ni me musa me ntoma no. Nti de wo mu na mato ama no no.
Obey bia no
Enya me fe.
Obey asphalt kwan no kra nka o.
Oh, nka me ntoma no. De me to ama na mato no no ana wa wi. Ya tini ti. Kasi ya tini ti obey say.
Well, interesting scenes here in New Wenchi, where supporters of the...
What's your name?
Mpacho, my name is Shafika. Mpacho, ebon pa ese lawyer no mfa. Number 2 no ebon pa mano. Mo so amuba no ebon pa mo sanya kopon fa mo kodu asundwe mu.
To so far results now, Abano, what do you make of it?
Oh, ebon pa ese na ebe ba out no. Embra fine na lawyer no mfa ma yen.
But who did this? Because see, NPP for no jubilate, NDC for no so jubilate.
Ah, yen na jubilate so e be say wo bo Abano na nyina ehu fine na. Nti yen nyina yeni age awa Akwatia kurom ha.
Right, so Vivian, it's an ecstatic atmosphere here. The confusion really is that the new patriotic parties jubilating, that supporters of Solomon Kwame Asumedu are jubilating, and the supporters of the NDC's Bernard Bediako are also jubilating. They believe strongly that respective candidates have both won the election, and so we would wait. It's early days yet to, determine the final outcome of the result. But we will get closer to the station. That's the Kotokoli Zango Old Lorry Station to, possibly engage some more people on the outcome of the result so far. Let me get closer. If I could get some of them. Hi. Can I speak to you? What's your name?
I'm Uga David.
Say again.
I'm Uga David.
Uga David, did you vote?
Yeah, I did.
You voted here?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, what do you make of the results that are trickling in so far?
Actually, I just came from home, so I don't know what's going on. I just arrived, so I don't know what's going on.
Okay, so you just arrived, so you really don't know
I don't really know
the outcome. But what did you consider in voting? As a young person living in Akwatia?
So I'm just following the footsteps of my dad. That's why I'm voting.
Okay. So you are voting for the party your father supports?
Yes, I did.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. MC is one of the young voters here the Akwatia Kotokoli Zongo. He says that he voted towards his father's political inclination, and definitely that has been one of the indicators, and even a recent poll by the Global Info Analytic points to that political affiliation will indeed play a major role in today's by-election. Who supporting NDC?
Me support NDC.
Mpacho, so far results now, Abano, Ujidi say Bernard Bediako or NDC no, Obeba out victorious.
Oh, mashallah. Nyami di munti. Lawyer Beju Obeba. Nyaminti. Eya na eba ni say na say jubilation ni do so okroma baby ade na sesan your collation center no. Ohon so ye the pressure ko honom. Because we know no ma afi we on be ya ye beja de am.
Some team for pressure and already no there are systems in place.
There be say no ye agencies for no mo wo honom nti bibia ni honom on be ye.
Nti mu the eagle eye ebe sha ade. Na de enti na wo pese Bernard Bediako of NDC o win.
The enti me pese o win ni say for past 8 years ni nyina Akwatia MPP for ho ye nya hwe. Nyame anim no kra ye nya hwe. Nso nka Akwatia e stronghold of MPP. But the omo ye past 8 years ni nti say yasesa ya adwen. Because ye to aba ne de ma omo omo bombe ma ye sika de ye gibi ankasa. Because envelope ba akokra be ba na jokra na ebetumi asolve.
Na say NDC ye wie bibia na say NDC enwina owura be wo.
Me wura be wo papa. Me wura ho nso so me wura be wo say aba no emu na asesa. But ente sa na te say honum collation center honum no man kan de ni.
Oh there be na say nkrofo wo ha mo man ne afa say won tene de untimi conclude. All right, Medase. Thank you very much. So she is a supporter of the National Democratic